Would you enjoy designing open spaces? Are you environmentally aware? Do you have excellent design and drawing skills? Have you acute observational skills and an eye for detail? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of landscape architect might be for you. Landscape architects advise on, plan and design the construction of public, urban, residential and rural landscapes. They also assist in the management and conservation of natural or heritage landscapes and public open spaces. When they plan and design outside areas for parks, recreational areas, private homes and business parks, they ensure that these areas are not only functional but beautiful and harmonious. They ensure that the design provides environmental benefits as well. Landscape architects are often part of the architectural team that plans the locations of buildings, walkways, gardens and roadways within these environments. The landscape architect meets with the clients to discuss their requirements and the proposed use of the space. They survey the site. They take into account aspects such as existing plant and animal life as well as natural contours. Depending on the area, an environmental impact assessment might be required. When working on a new project, landscape architects use computer-aided design and drafting or CAD software to prepare models of their proposed work. They sometimes use Geographic Information Systems or GIS, which allows them to show data visually as maps, reports and charts. They present these models as well as a projected budget to clients for feedback and approval. A contract for the work is drawn up and they procure the services of relevant contractors. The landscape architect monitors the progress of the project and ensures that the work meets the required standards. Landscape architects work in close collaboration with landscape gardeners and other professionals such as architects, surveyors, civil engineers, town planners and at times environmental campaigners. Landscape architects do not only work on new projects, they may focus on preserving and restoring historic landscapes. They may plan the restoration of areas disturbed by humans, such as mined areas, as well as wetlands and streams damaged by human activity. They also prepare environmental impact assessments for proposed construction areas. In highly urbanized areas, they design green roofs or rooftop gardens. These retain stormwater, absorb air pollution, and cool buildings while also providing pleasant scenery. Landscape architects also create plans to manage stormwater runoff to conserve water resources by avoiding polluting waterways. These professionals are office-bound for a substantial amount of their working day. They create plans and designs, prepare models and cost estimates. They also do research and attend meetings with clients and workers regarding projects. The rest of their workday is spent on site. The South African Council for the Landscape Architectural Profession is the statutory body that regulates the architectural landscape professions. A landscape architect must, therefore, meet all the requirements for registration with SACLAP to practice in this profession. With experience, a landscape architect could move on to a supervisory or management position. Other possibilities involve becoming a partner in a private practice or setting up one's own practice.